Welcome to Binary City's unboxing of the S922 by ZKTeco. It's a portable fingerprint time and attendance terminal. Let's get opening. So inside we've got this very robust terminal specifically designed for construction sites, mining sites and so on. Very rugged. Love this handle. Shockproof, IP65 rated. Fingerprint terminal there. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, got your manuals, some cards, RFID card, power plug and brick to charge the battery. So let's switch it on. Nice green lights there. So here we have your fingerprint sensor, RFID sensor there. Take RFID cards. It can store 50,000 fingerprint templates, 50,000 RFID cards. Comes with a built-in battery in the back. It's obviously inside. I've connected that. And in here you've got your communication ports, your LAN. You've got your power to charge the battery. You've got USB connection. This is a Wi-Fi enabled device. So you clock in remotely, it'll store those transactions. It'll store about up to 800,000 transactions. So you can literally go for a whole week without connecting this up into a network. And then it can sync up into our Binary City Time cloud-based application and feed in the time and attendance there. Through our Binary City Time and Attendance application, you can now sync that up into your payroll system, be it Sage VIP, Pasta, so on. And yeah, a very handy solution for remote clocking.